Hello everyone. My name is Saurabh Kumar Shrivastava and I'm a senior pre-sales consultant in Hansen Technologies. Let me just give you a brief introduction about me. I have a 15 plus years of experience in telecom BSS domain as of now. I started my professional journey as a software developer in MDocs in the year 2007 and my first job location was Limassol, Cyprus. During my this professional journey, I worked as a software developer, I worked as a team lead and also as a project lead. And if I will talk about my customer experience, I worked with almost all the major telco providers across the globe. So for example, in India, you can say Vodafone Idea, US it is AT&T and Sprint. If you will refer to Canada, there I worked with Telus and Rogers. And about my hobbies, I love to travel and explore new places. And also I love to play any outdoor sports. So even though I don't know how to play all the outdoor sports, but at least I love to give a shot, on that. Going forward, I have posted my LinkedIn profile here, link here. And if you have any queries, any advice or any concern, you can reach me out and I will be more than happy to assist you. So this was a little bit about me and let's move to the course part. So we have designed a unique course around Telecom BSS OSS overview. And what we have done as a part of this course is that we have focused on the key aspects of telecom domain, to cover all the key aspects of the telecom domain and to give you a basic understanding of all those key aspects. So we are pretty much sure that at the end of this course, you will be able to have a good understanding of telecom domain. And not only this, you will also have a good understanding of the business knowledge, which is basically required for kickstarting telecom jobs. Because now, the jobs are not only about the technical aspects, but at least you should be aware about, the basic business aspects also. Now, as a part of course overview, we have divided into three subcategories: Telecom Overview 1, 2, and 3. So in Telecom Overview 1, we will start with the basic telecom introduction. We'll talk a little bit about, how telecom came into existence and some other aspects around it. Then we will touch base a typical customer journey. After that, we will quickly go through the BSS and OSS domain. Then we will talk about the various industry challenges which are being currently faced by the telco companies. And the Telecom Overview 1 session will end with the introduction to TM.Forum. Now, as a part of Telecom Overview 2, we are going to discuss in a little bit more detail around various BSS components, or you can say modules, that is CRM, product catalog, order management, and billing. And at the end of the Telecom Overview 2 session, we are going to discuss about a high level generic, OSS and BSS architecture. Telecom Overview 3 session will be more focused on the business aspects of telecom. And we'll be discussing about various business domains, that is B2C, B2B, and B2B2X. Also, we will touch base about 5G in more like an introduction mode, not into a technical mode. So we will talk about, various key features of 5G. What are the different, markets which will get a boost after the introduction of 5G. A couple of use cases around 5G and so on. And Telecom Overview 3 session, or we can say this overview course will end with a brief introduction about the key skills which are required for a telecom business analyst. Not only this, when you will start this training session, there will be intermediate quiz which we have planned, and those are basically the short quiz around 4 to 6 questions. And at the end of the course, you are going to have a master quiz. So I think that's all about me and the course overview. And I'm pretty much sure that at the end of this course, you will have a very good understanding of the telecom BSS OSS domain, or you can say a telecom domain as a whole. So I would like to wish you good luck and let's start the training.